Did you ever wonder what's the best way to show your students work on the Google Meet where you could write and show them everything on the screen? If you did, your answer is in the Google Apps. You go down to Google Apps to scroll the way down to Jamboard, and when the screen opens up, it will look like this screen, the Google Jam. You come here, bottom right corner, you click the plus sign, and when you click that plus sign, you'll be taken to a new jam. It looks like this. There's the pen tool. You could choose what tip and color you like. It would be good if you had a stylus to write with. Other than that, you have your finger, the eraser, that's the select tool, the sticky note, and you could add an image as well. Now let's move on what that looks like. Here is the sticky note. You could type on this. Once you type, it could be a do now, whatever you choose. You'll see something like this that I have on my screen. You click on, make it larger so that the students can actually look at it when you have it displayed on the screen. And for your image, you feel free, you click these arrows, taking you to the next page. And when you move on to the next page, you could add work. This is an image I insert the background. Feel free to click to whatever you choose, and definitely you'll need to give a problem jam. So you click it and you make a name. You come up with a name, make it math, whatever you choose to call it. That's into you. That will be saved, and you know what's on it, how you are able to organize your jams. And that's it. If you enjoyed it, click like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to share. And I hope you enjoy the process. Thank you.